Well, you have now had the chance of seeing how the prompt works when it comes to text specifically. But now I'm gonna show you how it works with voice, which is even simpler. You don't have to do anything new or specific other than click on one more button. So you'll copy the prompt as we did before. You paste it on ChatGPT. It explains what it is, what it does. And this is where you will click on, well, before you do that, you actually have to give it the content again. I take the content, pass it over. Once more, it's gonna explain the different topics. And this is one of the reasons why I pick auto. Sometimes it will think a little bit longer, or sometimes it will give you an answer right away, but it will always draft a very nice, very intuitive section. Here you can see that it uses a little bit more subtopics. It still uses the same topics as before. Individual interactions over tools and processes, topic 2, topic 3, topic 4. I think it took a little bit of a different approach here. So that's the first value. Okay, that's the second value. Okay, that is the third value. Okay, that is the fourth value. There it is. Okay, created a fifth topic that puts it all together. Just pretty interesting. So now you go into voice mode, and as usual, it's gonna recommend to start in topic 1. Hey ChatGPT, let's start with topic 1. On the spot, I cannot tell about a specific experience, but the way I think this idea may work is like, imagine you have a toy factory that creates Lego pieces, and you have a bunch of different feedbacks from users that are allowed to go to the factories and try some of these toys. And those are your die-hard fans. And they have a bunch of different ideas about how you could improve the product itself. So instead of having a bunch of different steps that each idea has to go through before it reaches to the right person, it makes more sense to have a way where teams can quickly collaborate with each other, look at all the ideas, and evaluate them in a single batch, then being able to just among themselves filter out those ideas, taking aside what is not feasible, and then keeping the best and most freshest ideas to be able to revisit them in the future. That's a way where teams can quickly collaborate with each other without having all the bureaucracy and all the different steps that happen in between. It's still structured in a way because it's organized. You're not just going, all cowboy on everything, but at the same time, it's not so rigid to the point where it almost feels like a very heavy chore to deal with because of all the paperwork that has to be dealt with.